Yeah, 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 yeah. I need to turn this off.
I'm weird.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes, I do speak Spanish. No, I don't. Look how fat. What the heck? Look how much my cake stretched. I am so awkward right now. Not really. I just feel weird. Oh, that hurt them. Do not comment on the cat ears because I have to get out. My birthday is in a couple of weeks. I don't know what that was. I cannot see the screen right now. I cannot see anything. Ugh, what is this? This summer, I'm going to California. I'm flying to California with my grandpa for his sister's wedding. When I say grandpa, I don't mean like some 80-year-old man. No. He's my grandpa because he dated my grandma. Yeah. I accidentally dropped Badeshka behind my bed because there's like this big of a gap between my bed and my wall. So she fell down there off of yellow. Are you ready for the Bieber roast? Because I am. Watch me turn the channel. That was all way too much for me to comprehend. I have a headache right now. When it was announced Zayn left One Direction, because I did, being a 16-year-old. What am I? I mean 15-year-old. Wow, I'm literally the only person who would forget how old they are. People mess with me. I get bullied. No. I have no idea what was said. I want to play some Mad Libs right now. Just watched a new Lush video while I was in tears, but like so many sad things have been happening. I straightened my hair. My brothers are weird. If that's all, then I shall go into the darkness of which is my shirt.